You don't need a massive estate to have a world-class outdoor retreat. In fact, small backyards often make the best oases because they feel private, tucked away, and incredibly cozy. Today, we're looking at how to fit a fully functional DIY outdoor kitchen and a stunning fire pit into a compact space without making it feel cluttered. The key is zoning. First, let's talk about the kitchen. A massive stone island is likely too big for a small yard. Instead, think about a linear or I-shaped kitchen along a fence or wall. You can build the frame using pressure-treated lumber or steel studs, then face it with cedar planks or stone veneer. For the countertop, poured concrete is a fantastic DIY project that looks incredibly high-end. It's durable, weather-resistant, and has that modern minimalist edge. You don't need a 6-burner grill. A high-quality drop-in 3-burner, or even a classic kettle grill integrated into the counter works perfectly. Make sure to leave at least 24 inches of counter space on one side for prep work. If plumbing is too difficult, a simple cold water only line connected to an outdoor hose bib is a game changer for washing hands and veggies. Underneath the counter, keep it simple with stainless steel doors to hide your propane tank and trash bin. Now, let's transition to the fire pit area. In a small space, the fire pit should be the focal point that draws people in. A circular layout is usually best for traffic flow. Instead of bulky outdoor sofas, consider built-in bench seating. This saves space because the back of the bench can be the fence or a planter box itself. You can even make the benches hollow to store your cushions during the winter. For the ground, pea gravel or decomposed granite is much cheaper than pavers and gives that relaxed, Mediterranean feel. Lighting is what truly creates the Oasis vibe. String some Edison bulbs in a zigzag pattern over the fire pit. This creates a ceiling of light that makes the space feel like an outdoor room. If you're worried about privacy, use vertical gardens or tall bamboo in narrow planters. It adds lush greenery without taking up precious floor space. For the fire pit itself, a propane-powered one with lava rocks is great for small spaces because there's no smoke to bother the neighbors, and you can turn it off instantly. But if you love the smell of wood, a small smokeless fire pit is the way to go. Imagine finishing dinner at your outdoor bar and stepping just 2 feet away to sit by the fire. That's the luxury of a well-planned small backyard. It's efficient, beautiful, and easy to maintain. With a few weekends of DIY work and some smart furniture choices, your humble backyard will become the favorite room in your house. Subscribe Viana Home.